Hey everyone, Adventure Frog here again. Now, this is part 2 of how to make a piggy game. Now, this is I lost some footage of the first one. I am very sorry, but just a little thing, make the background for make the background, and then make it so that when it receives a game on it, go to Batch 3 because it broadcasts after cutscenes. So please put that and enjoy the video. So we have that, and now we're going to make stairs to get to your floor, like that. I mean, you can make whatever you want, but this is what I'm making. So then we'll make the stairs. So we already made the stairs. Now we're going to make this actually a different sprite. No, let me think this. No, okay. I know what to do. So look at that trap. Okay, we're gonna need this key. We're going to make a key. So let me just test this out real quick. So that's the outline. So then this you have to do it. This is like a cyan key, kind of like cyan key. So then I'm going to make this and this. I'm going to group these together and make this tiny and make this like this. You got a key. Unclick Tide. When I receive game on, no, not cutscene for movies, game on, show. When the sprite is clicked, and then we're going to create a new variable called item. I'm going to set item to 0 as soon as the game starts. Then set item to key. And we want this to hide. First, let's show what you have. So item, make this a large readout and put it right here. Yeah, so we will make the piggy soon, but right now we have this. So then we would show the variable item. Then hide the variable right here and add a one or how long you want to do it. And always hide this when the game starts. Hide item. And now we have our key. I'm going to make a door. The door is just going to be like, the normal door, an average door you'd see at the movies. I don't know what the average doors are. So I'm just going to make a little door like this. So this is very far away, so you can only see it like that. And then we still have the cyan, so what we're going to do is we're going to make a lock. That's very bad. I'll fix that later. And then we gotta make the lock thing. And then we gotta make a costume. I will change this later. Of it opening. And then we'll just do this. And we will add the black layer. Like this. So I'll just copy the code from here. Game on, show, and click this. Except we'll just make this just hide. Now we'll make this. Yeah, remember to do that. And remember to do this. No, not go to random position. Go to X and Y. Yeah, that should stay. Now here's the good part. Forever, if, and if. So we want this to be touched by the key, right? So if touching key, then switch to costume 1, no 2. Let's duplicate key. But if you're not touching key, we'll switch to costume 1 for closing. Okay. Now let's make the timer. Make a variable, name it timer. And we're going to do the exact same thing like everyone does. So let's put the timer to just do this. And as soon as it receives game on, forever, change timer by -1. Show timer, larger it out, and let's put it right up here. But when this, so we would set timer to 150. And forever, wait 1 second, change timer by -1. This, so it's a real second. And if timer equals 145, then broadcast Piggy chose. Okay. So if we test that out, we gotta fix it too. Hide variable timer. So now if we do it and the Piggy's glitching, play, and then see the movies. We'll add a player voting thing right here, so we have a limited time before it just chooses one for you. Movies. Oh no, piggies are here. Space. Let's go. Space. And okay, let me just fix this real quick. Game on. Switch it back to 3. Alright, now we click this. Click this. Oh, hide. Okay, let's just do this. Show variable item, and then we do this. So now if we play this, and the piggies are here, let's go. And we click this. We see sign key for 1 second. And then we would, let me see this. Oh, if touching key. So what we would do is let's do this and this. So what we would do is if item equals cyan key, has to be exactly item cyan key. This cyan key. If item is cyan key, then okay. Now that should work. We're going to go to the movies. Piggies are here, let's go. Click this cyan key and well, let's just do this forever show when this word is, let's do it once word is clicked. If you don't want to do this, just continue like that. So now, go to the movies. Piggies are here, let's go. And on it, it won't do anything. But then if we click on this, and then click on that, that should work. Yeah. Nice. Let's show the variable timer. Look at that. Alright, if you're still awake, it's almost done. We just gotta make the piggy and the player. Make a new costume, call it player, and just make a player, I guess. We'll just make the player. Again, I will change this later. We'll just do this. Here, this is the character, or this is the character. For now, this is the character for now. And you'll probably want a walk animation. So mine is just gonna be this. Make the size so that it actually fits on the map. So now we can edit this code. I'm gonna add an and. If items, that item is sign-in key and touching player, then it would do that. But if the item is not that, this is very broken. If the item is not the sign key and it's not touching the player, then switch to costume 1. There. Now I really want, a walking animation and how to walk. So now, as everything should be, one-click hide. Go to wherever you want. I just do this. Nice. So now I receive game on. I want to make the show forever if and if. I want key right and left. Right and left. Now what we're gonna do is go to motion. Y, X, Y, that. This is right. So then -10 is this. Now, I already made a jump code, so if you want to see it, go to my videos and you will find it. Because mine is right here. I know it. No, it's not. That's not it. No. That's not it, sorry. Yeah, right here. This is it. This is the jump, so clicked. Actually, let's do game on forever, and then I see define jump. Define the jump. So we need to get that block, so we'll just make it just named. I just name this jump. Now we have define jump. Let's do this, and we have jump right here.
Is that me? Is that me? Oh, okay, I'm sorry. I'll stop talking. You can cut this out.
So now, if we play and do jump, you can see it actually works. But as you can see here, why is this here? I don't get that. Anyways, let's see, we don't want the X to move around. As you see, X is 1, 4, 2. So we want the X position to be minus 1, 4, 2. Hopefully this works. Oh no, that don't work. Oh gosh. Okay, so I just added some things and like a door and all these other stuff. Like this door guard. So I made an item, and so let me start with this. I made a key. That only shows and this is, and then it would show variable item key, and then it would say the item key. When this door is touching, if the item is sign key and touching player 1, then it would switch to costume 2. Unless it was switch to costume. If it's not touching, it would switch to costume 1, and it would make the timer show like this. Player, I literally just made this. This code doesn't work, so bye-bye. Made a left arrow, these costumes, and game on, it would make the up arrow so that he would jump. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this. I'll copy this and delete it and add this as a stairs option. Stairs. This is just an option. This is just a little funny option that you could do. I didn't make this in Backdrop 3. Show. So then if the player touches, okay, that doesn't work. Okay, so just screw. No, wait, no. We'll just make it so that the door is right here. So the door is right over here. What? 279 minus 28. Minus 28. So now I should go here. Yeah. So now if we play our game. Okay, play. Go here. Oh no, piggies are here. Let's go. If we just go here, nothing's happening. But then if we click our key and then touch this, this should open. We'll just set Okay, now let's make the piggy character that's going to be chasing you around. So I'm going to copy and paste this piggy. I'm going to make this piggy small and make this piggy like this. And make this piggy this. This piggy's hands are going to be red. I'm too lazy, honestly, so if you want to make an animation, then yeah, I guess I'll do it. There. An animation. So now this is I'm going to make a smart AI. One click, hide. Let's make the piggy go right here. Right here. When I receive, no, okay. One click forever. Game on forever. If actually, I don't have to do that actually. Because there's a broadcast for it. Piggy shows. Whenever I see piggy shows. Show. And do is forever it would glide 1 second to the player. here, the player. It would glide 1 second to the player. And while it's gliding, we would make the just make Piggy walk. Be a useless one. So now the piggy will follow to the player. We're going to set the piggy walk to 1. Piggy walk to 1. So after we set the piggy walk to 1, what would we want to do? Well, we would want to make the actual code of making the piggy do the jump scare. So forever. Oh no, wait. Let's do this. Let's make another code. Forever if, then grab an equal block like this. And then piggy walk equal 1. And at the very beginning, set piggy walk to 2. Or whatever you want. You walk to 2. If piggy walk equals 1, then just 1, switch costume to 1 and 2. Now let's use appointment. Okay. This. Now it's a really good animation. Hopefully. Anyways, so that happens. Now we gotta make the jump scare sequence. If touching the player. Alright, if this piggy is touching the player, then it would broadcast piggy jump. Piggy's jump scare. And we set the piggy walk to 2. And what we will do is we would stop other scripts and spread. Just stop. And we would do jump scares. And we will get other bots in, but for now, we're just gonna do this. In the next episode, I'll make an actual map and other stuff. So, jump scare. Cinema carpet. Just like this. Do I still have that? No. Oops, sorry. Okay, so this. Yeah, and then we'll have to have the piggy. And the piggy's jump scare will just be... And I will remake this game. When this series is over, I will remake this game and make a new and original. Original is just going to be this one. Remake is going to be the new one. And we will make this. And we will keep making the piggy go up and down. Oh. Keep making the piggy go up and down and left and right. Make it look like Piggy's actually like, at the end, it will look like Piggy is shaking. So 1 click tile. Switch to costume 1. When I receive Piggy jump, show, forever, next costume. Perfect. Now we're gonna make a sound. I'll just make one. How about... Okay, that was bad. Let's do this. Yeah. So when I receive Piggy jump, do this sound. And after, stop all. There we go. That is the end of this episode. I hope you enjoyed, and the next one will be coming soon. Bye.